So hello my friends, a very warm welcome to our video. In today's tutorial, I will teach you step by step how you can start a 100% monetizable health YouTube channel using just one AI tool. I will also teach you about thumbnail design, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Trust me my friends, today I will tell you a genuine way of how you can actually make money from YouTube using AI, and how some 0.1% of people are easily making $10,000 per month doing this. So let's get started. Look at this channel, it has 205K subscribers, and just look at the views on its videos. 6 million, 5.6 million, 4.5 million, 2.3 million views. And one of its videos went viral a month ago, which has now crossed 1.4 million views. And it must have earned at least $10,000 from this single video only from ad revenue. Talking about the total views of this channel, it has received 2.82 million views last month and gained almost 30,000 subscribers. You can imagine how big these numbers are, especially in the health niche, which is one of the high CPM niches. In this niche, you can easily get an RPM of more than $5. If you watch its videos, it neither shows its face nor uses its own voice. It simply creates videos by combining stock footage and AI voice. This is not only channel, there is another new channel doing the same work, and some of its videos have also gone viral, and it has received almost 1 million views last month, meaning it is also making up to $7,000 easily. My friends, I am repeating again, I am not joking. These people are not idiot for making videos with so much effort, so please take this seriously. If you are not serious, you can quit the video right now. That's it. So that was a brief overview of the video, okay? Now let's find out how you can create such videos. First of all, you need to create a YouTube channel. You can take suggestions for the channel name from ChatGPT. Okay, it's very easy, so I don't want to waste much time on this. Now let's use ChatGPT to find the first 50 video ideas for our channel. Just go to ChatGPT and type, I have started a YouTube channel where I upload videos related to health and exercise using stock footage and voiceover only. Can you give me 50 interesting video ideas so that I can create videos on them? And just hit enter. You'll see that ChatGPT has given you 50 video ideas. Now you can make videos on all of these. If you make 10 videos per month in the beginning, you can create 50 videos in the next 5 months. Great! So now we have 50 ideas to make videos. Now what's I gonna doing? I pick a topic from this YouTube channel and make a video on it, and see if we can do it or not. So let's write the script now. I want to get the script written by ChatGPT. You have two other options. The second option is to copy this title and search it on Google. Then open any website and copy the entire article from there. Then go to ChatGPT and say, convert this blog article into YouTube video script. Your article will be converted into a script in just a few seconds. Okay, so you can use this trick as well. So now I want to get the script written by ChatGPT. I will tell ChatGPT, write a YouTube video script on this title, 6 Most Anti-Aging Exercises. ChatGPT will write the script for us in 2 to 3 minutes for a your video. This is just an example. It's not necessary that everyone makes videos on this topic because the health niche is a broad niche. You'll find thousands of video topics. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll quickly set this script in Google Docs. All right, now we need to create the voice and video. Today, I will use Fliki AI for this. I'll provide the link to it in the description, along with a promo code. If you apply, we'll give you a discount. All right, some people might think, why use this paid tool? Listen, I'm not forcing you to purchase it, but let me tell you the reason for purchasing it. Firstly, you get access to 1,000 plus ultra-realistic AI voices, AI avatar, AI video clips, voice cloning feature, video translation, millions of stock media, and many more. All right, if you don't want to buy it or if it's not in your budget, you can try free stock media websites like Pixels and Pixabay, but there you won't be able to work long-term because you'll have limited options. Okay, so it's up to you. Anyway, sign up for free using my link. Then you'll see this dashboard. You need to simply create a new file, then enter the file name. Here you have many options. You can even write scripts with Fliki AI or convert a blog into a video. Okay, but for now, we have the script, so we'll choose an empty file and simply submit it. Okay, now this is the new dashboard. Now let me tell you about the latest update from Fliki. If you go to More in any scene, then go to Apply Template. You'll find many templates here, which you can also use as headings in your video. I quite like this update from Fliki AI. I'll show you how to use it later. For now, I'll close it. Okay, after that, I'll copy the entire script and paste it here. Now we have automatically created some scenes. Now let's add the voiceover. Just click here and choose any good voice from here. It's quite difficult to choose a voiceover here because there are more than 2,000 realistic voices. I'm just kidding, my friends. Anyway, I'll choose this female voice, then tick on Apply to all scenes and hit Select. Great. Now let's go to the background music and find music related to health. You'll find thousands of copyright-free music options here. I'll apply this music, then set the volume to 5. Okay, now let's begin the most important part of this video. Please pay close attention to how I'm doing it. If you understand this, your channel will grow 100%. All right, now what you need to do is to break down all these scenes into different parts. You can see that each scene has large paragraphs. So to divide the scene, simply choose the scene, then cut the part using Ctrl+C, add a new scene, and paste the cut part into the new scene. This way, we've divided the first scene into 2 parts. Okay, similarly, I'll divide scene 2 into 2 parts again because it seems lengthy, and it's also an introduction scene. All right, after that, guys, I'll divide scene 5 into 3 to 4 parts as it's quite lengthy. Please keep in mind, don't switch scenes randomly. Understand what's in the first scene well, then switch scenes comfortably. Also remember, don't make scenes too short because you can only add 50 scenes in one file. Okay, next we have scene 10 and we need to do the same as we did for the other scenes. First, try to understand the scene and then divide it into multiple parts. All right, now we have quite a few scenes, so I'll quickly divide them like this. This process is a bit lengthy, so I'll fast forward the video now. You can enjoy the music until then. Alright guys, I've divided all the scenes into parts. Now we need to add relevant stock footage to each scene. Let's do it. So the first 4 scenes are our introduction part. In these 4 scenes, you can add footage relevant to your title. Since our topic is on anti-aging exercises, we'll add anti-aging footage or even random exercise stock videos in these 4 scenes. You simply need to choose stock footage from here and add it. Okay, then we have scene 5. And in scene 5, we're talking about the first exercise, which is squats. It means if we add a heading named squats here, it will look good. So I'll simply go to More and then go to Apply Template from here. You can choose any of the first 2 templates for the heading, as they are best for headings. So I'll add the second template. Okay, our template has been added. Now I'll change the text from here and add the name of the first exercise. Then I'll also add a black color shadow here, so that the text is clearly visible. After that, I'll also add a stock footage of squats. Perfect. Now it looks good. You need to do the same for the remaining scenes. All right. Next, we have scene 6, where you'll add stock footage related to squats. Then in scene 7, we're talking about hamstrings. What we'll do is, I'll just copy this word and search for footage related to hamstrings, and then add it here. All right. Similarly, I'll add stock footage in scene 8. Okay. Then we have scene 9, where I want to add 2 clips together. For this, I just clicked on the layout of scene 9 and selected this layout style. Now our layout has been divided into 2 parts. Then simply I'll add a new video clip here. Perfect. Now we have scene 10 again, and here we'll add a heading because we're talking about the second exercise now. So I'll go to the template again, use the same template, change the heading name, and add a black shadow from here. All right. I'll customize the remaining scenes in the same way, quickly. Okay, now I'm in scene 19, and you'll notice that we're talking about 3 exercises in this scene. So I won't create separate scenes for them because we have limited scenes. In this case, I'll change the layout again. So I'll go to the layout, and this time choose this one. Then I'll add separate clips for each exercise. Perfect. Okay, now I'll quickly complete all the scenes and fast forward the video. All right, now look, the last scene is our outro. So I want to add a YouTube end screen here. So I'll just search for the YouTube end screen from here and add it. Perfect. Our video is almost complete. Now let's do some basic settings. Go to settings and keep these 2 options checked so that special effects and transitions are automatically added to the video. Now let's preview it once.
Into the world of anti-aging exercises. Your workout gear, and let's get started. On our list is the
You might have noticed that the heading and subtitle are overlapping in Scene 5. The solution is to simply select Scene 5 and untick the subtitle here. Okay, you need to do the same for the other scenes with headings, alright? Okay guys, I've completed all the steps. Now I'll simply export this video in 1080 pixels. Let's see the final output.
Today, we're diving into the world of anti-aging exercises. If you're looking to turn back the clock and feel youthful, these 6 exercises are exactly what you need. So grab your workout gear and let's get started. First up on our list is the timeless classic, squats. Not only do squats sculpt your legs, but they also engage your entire body, from your hamstrings to your glutes and quads. And here's the kicker, they're fantastic for your core too. Plus, squats even boost your bone density, helping you stay strong and agile as you age. Next, we have the standing calf raise. This exercise targets those calf muscles, especially the ones on the outer section of your legs, giving your calves that toned and shapely look. Say goodbye to sagging calves and hello to firm, defined muscles. Moving on to exercise number 3, the hanging leg raise. Now, I won't lie, this one's a bit challenging, but boy, is it worth it. By engaging all the muscles in your midsection and lats, the hanging leg raise not only fights the signs of aging, but also builds in.
Awesome, the video turned out really well. And this is how if you make videos. Now let me teach you how to make a thumbnail, because I told you about it at the beginning. Okay, simply go to Canva. Create a thumbnail from here. Alright, let's take a look at the thumbnail of this channel. What elements does it add to its thumbnail? First of all, it uses an image of human anatomy, then a black and white gradient background, a heading with a bold font, and lastly, a simple arrow. Okay, so first let's find the image. I'll just search on Google, human body anatomy muscle. You'll find images here like this one. Below this, you'll find all related images, and you can use any of them. Alright, so I'll copy this image and paste it in Canva. Then I'll remove the background of this image. I'm using Canva Pro so I can easily remove the background from here. After that, go to Elements and search for a black and white gradient. You'll find many gradients here. Choose any good one and set it as a background by right-clicking. Okay. Now go to Elements again, search for shadow, and add the shadow from here. Then set the shadow on the leg like this. Now it looks good. Now let's add the heading. For that, add text, and add the heading here. Then go to Font Style, choose a bold font, and change the font color to yellow or white. Okay. After that, you can also add a shadow and text effect so that our text is clearly visible. Alright. Also add an arrow from the elements. Lastly, you can add a stroke to this image. Click on the image, go to Edit Photo, then go to Shadow, and go to Outline from here. Set it to 3 and keep the intensity full. And boom! Our thumbnail is ready, guys. Now simply download it from here and add it to your video. Congratulations, we've done everything. So guys, that was the complete step-by-step tutorial. And finally, I want to tell all of you one thing. You need to work with consistency. In the beginning, you can upload at least 3 videos weekly, but using Fliki AI, you can even upload videos daily. Okay, YouTube takes time to boost a new channel, but if you stay consistent in your work, you become an expert in that field, and you'll definitely see results. Alright, so if you really liked the video, please leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, it's very important to join my Telegram channel, where I provide a lot of updates. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want to create viral shorts using Fliki AI, be sure to watch this video.